Morning. Where we're on about going today, Claire? Rutland Water.
I think that's what we've said.
Yeah. Go and have a walk around there. We might call some other English houses on the way back, something, didn't we? We'll have a look.
Yeah.
Alright, in a bit. So we've just had a bit of a clean up this morning. Got Letty on the lead. So I'll just show you the collapse setup we've got. What a lovely morning it is. Letty. Rutland Waters. Let's have a look at this sign.
Secret, son.
You know what? That sign's quite big. I can't really see.
I'm doing it too fast as well. So where are we? There.
Yeah. There's a big thingy. I'm going to call it thingy until we know what it is. Got all the different birds you can see. Tuft duck.
Tufted.
Tufted is that? We're going to see what the big monument is, see if there's any.
Yeah, I wondered if it was going to say on here, but it doesn't.
That's the map again, isn't it?
Sykes Lane, Visitor Centre, Mini Golf, the Great Tower, and the dam. So there's the dam wall, isn't it?
Yeah. Want to go and have a walk towards the dam wall? Shall we go and have a quick look at that and then a walk towards the dam wall?
Yeah.
No, that wasn't here. That was Rutland Water.
Oh, look what this is. I think there's a plaque up there. Actually, what this is. This is called the Great Tower, is it? Matty. Some signatures in it on the bottom. Oh, that is 1980. Good year that was, 1980. Whose signature I've just seen then. Mankind is capable of an awareness that is outside the range of everyday life. When monumental sculptures are created to communicate with that awareness in a way similar to classical music. Just as most symphonies are not intended to be descriptive, so these works do not represent figures or objects. Fair enough. Can't go too far out. Are your boots waterproof?
Is that yours?
How good?
Water baby. Nice for us to have a bit of freedom, isn't it, to be fair?
Yeah. Legs doing really well though, isn't it? So
It is now, yeah.
seems to be.
Who's that?
I'm just wondering if we can walk around this bit and get through. I think you're going that way round, aren't you?
I'm not.
Oh.
Come on.
Let's see if we can.
Hilarious.
This isn't it?
It's like being at the beach.
I'm wondering if normally this water's come right up to the top. Not sure we can go that way, Letty. This way, let's go back.
Spring your lead on, actually.
Yeah. I don't know if that was a... Oh, someone coming on that way.
It's really peaceful.
I love it how they've got their own beach over there.
Yeah, it's not open at the minute, though, is it?
No, not for whatever reason, whether it's COVID or whether they've got to furlough the lifeguards, I suppose. So that's why they've not got the beach open. It just keeps saying no lifeguards, doesn't it? Oh, there's all the sheep, look. Zoom in on it. Letty, what are you doing? Letty, come on.
Sit down then. See? See. Show the camera first. You've got to wait for it to be opened. You're worse than a child. You are.
Treated like a child.
But it's gone in seconds.
I bet it don't last 5 minutes.
Oh, that got your teeth, didn't it?
Go there, and we're going to go over there, okay?
Oh. Oh.
Pull it.
Oh,
Pull
no,
it.
let go.
Leave the stick though. Leave the stick.
Lick it. No, it's all gone. You just lick it. There you go. Is that good? It didn't touch the sides, did it? Hey.
What have we got?
Muffin,
And
brownie, sorry, and caramel cupcake.
What we're doing now?
I've just put some firelight on there.
Some firelight.
And these are Aldi's skinny sausages.
Yeah.
And they're half a cent each on Slimming World.
On Slimming World.
So I'm going to whack these on. I've just defrosted them a bit in the microwave. That's microwave.
Microwave.
And then we've got some Aldi's low fat bacon. Also.
And Letty thinks it's for her.
She doesn't eat.
So you should eat that, but yeah, you give her a pig snout.
I think I should leave the sausages on a bit before. Let's get the sausages cooked a bit first, actually, because these take longer, don't they?
I think it's on a bit of a thing.
I think so. Just get these browned off a bit first, I think, and then we'll put the bacon on. I don't really want to start showing there. We've got mushrooms.
Got all mushrooms prepped. Spinach. And beans, wherever they are, them beans there.
Yeah, the beans are in the microwave at the minute.
It's in there, so you need to switch the microwave up, it's already on. And these are a good buy.
These we're going to use to do the eggs.
The little tapas set for the caddock.
I'll only probably use two eggs in each one.
What we'll do is just put obviously whatever we're in there, and then we'll just sit that then on top of the caddock, don't we, on top of the chef pan.
Yeah.
So yeah, we'll come back to you in a bit.
Right, now I'm just going to chuck on a little bit more fried out and start the mushrooms going. Yes, there is only two of us, but mushrooms go really small once they cook. Leave them doing their thing. Sounds good. So I keep adding a bit of fry light to these just to make them so they don't burn. I mean, just look how much that's reduced already in number. Probably put it together a bit. Spread them out, and then look at putting the bacon on. So trying to do it as semi-worm friendly as possible. So we've got the bacon medallions that have got no fat on them, it's all crab. Nearly. So the bacon on there. Need to keep an eye on these sausages so they don't burn. Put them all together just so it's easier to try and get a bit of even colouring on them. But all because they're all on a funny shape. Let's just give the bacon a to now start causing its own sort of moisture, which will help with the mushrooms. See, the mushrooms are looking good. It still amazes me how small mushrooms shrink down, because that was covering the whole pan earlier. Now look at it. Okay, let it a bit warm. Okay, so let's just have a look again. You're definitely in view there if you want to be or not want to be. Looking good. This pan's definitely becoming a pain in the bum. Got loads on already though. Letty is far too warm.
Should be water for 10 degrees.
Going to put these sausages a bit, because there just seems to be some fat in them. Needs to come out. There we go. I think it's about time to get the eggs on.
Eggs, you want the kitchen box?
Well, that's it then.
Obsolete then.
Always are. Just move everything out of the way. Do the eggs over this side. So, both pans on. And right, just going to pop the lid on for a moment, just to heat it up. The eggs out. Two each. Should do us. Oh, broken yolk.
That's no yolk.
That's not even funny. Oh, another broken yolk.
The yolk is it?
Not going good, is it? Oh well, still.
Exactly.
Still tastes the same. Ah, see if we can make it 4 out of 4. Ah, one perfect one.
I'll have that one.
Okay, I can go back inside. Give the sausages a turn.
Body sauces?
Yep. And I'm just going to turn the heat up.
Now the big dilemma is being so it's
1:45.
1:45. Do you have brown sauce or do you have red sauce?
Brown. It's always brown for me on it, this kind of food. Didn't get the chat yesterday.
No. Oh, that's been a bit of a thing, hasn't it? met Carefree Caravanning. And we've met caravanning with the Westies today so far, haven't we? And both couples. There we go, yeah. Got a stick off caravanning with the Westies. And what? Both of them are lovely couples, aren't they?
Yeah, really nice people.
Really nice people. So I think we're going to go and meet caravan with our Westies in a bit. And have a walk up to the. We've got a bit of a shelter we can go and sit under. And possibly have a drink with them under that shelter or something. So at the moment, just watching Formula 1. Just going to watch the top 10 shootout, and then I think we'll go up. Bye.